Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I'm going to be talking about azelaic acid. So basically, I'm going to let you know the benefits of incorporating azelaic acid in your skincare routine and how to incorporate azelaic acid into your skincare routine, and then who can use azelaic acid, and also the other skincare products or skincare ingredients that you can that works alongside azelaic acid. So that's it. That's all we're going to talk about in this video. And so azelaic acid offers a wide range of benefits for the skin thanks to its antimicrobial properties and its anti-inflammatory properties. So azelaic acid can be used for, as an acne treatment, part of an acne treatment. It can be used as an anti-inflammatory, so it can be used for acne, it can be used for skin problems like rosacea and even hyperpigmentation. So as an anti-inflammatory, it helps to calm redness down, and also as a hyperpigmentation treatment. So basically, if it is used as hyperpigmentation treatment, it helps to inhibit melanin production, excess melanin production, and in turn, so basically, if you have like dark spots, it helps to fade dark spots and also even out the skin tone. And so basically, for the antimicrobial part, it has the ability to fight acne-causing bacteria in a nutshell. Azelaic acid, in essence, is such an amazing skincare ingredient. And personally, I have been using azelaic acid for over 2 years now, and I have been using it religiously because I have seen a lot of, its benefits basically. So azelaic acid, most brands incorporate azelaic acid with other ingredients such as ceramides, choline, and all that. So it won't just give you that acne fighting property, it will also help with hyperpigmentation, because most people who suffer acne in turn have dark spots because sometimes they can't help but pop their pimples and all that. So it's going to help to fade. It helps to fight the acne, help to fade the acne spots, the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and then to even out the skin tone. In my case, personally, I don't have issues with acne, but what I use this in essence for is that it helps to keep my skin tone even. So that's it. And like I said earlier, if you have rosacea, it's something you should consider using because it helps to calm redness down and all that, amongst other things. And now let's talk about the kind of skincare ingredients that you can pair it with, because a lot of actives out there, most times when paired with other actives, they tend to irritate the skin, or they just sort of neutralize each other and all that. But the thing with azelaic acid, honestly, it works with many other skincare actives, such as you can pair it with retinol. I know retinol can be quite harsh sometimes, but azelaic acid can be paired with retinol, it can be paired with niacinamide, it can be paired with practically a lot of actives. It can pair with salicylic acid. So that's one of the reasons why I absolutely love azelaic acid. And ever since I started incorporating azelaic acid into my skincare routine, I have found out that I don't need that many other actives in my skincare routine. So for example, personally, before in the past, I used to use vitamin C, but now with me incorporating azelaic acid, I find out that azelaic acid basically does virtually the same thing. So it helps to even out the skin and skin tone and keep my skin looking good. So that's why I've completely stuck to azelaic acid. That's one of the major actives I use on regular basis. And also azelaic acid, another reason why I really like azelaic acid is that it can be used even during pregnancy. So there's a number of skincare ingredients that pregnant women should avoid. Azelaic acid isn't one of them. So currently I'm alternating between the Dermatica Clarifying Azelaic Acid Cream and then the Face Theory Blemicalm Azelaic Acid 15% Clarifying Serum. So this one from Face Theory has 15% azelaic acid with colloidal oatmeal. So this is what I said to you. Most times brands incorporate other ingredients alongside their azelaic acid. So I'm alternating between two of them, but I have used the Dermatica one the longest. I only recently got this one, so that's why I'm alternating between both of them. And so this one is the one from Dermatica is actually, this is an old Dermatica azelaic acid I have, and this is 20% cream, which is quite high, but it's at the moment they have stopped producing the 20%, so they currently have the 12%, which is equally effective. And as always, if you want to start incorporating any actives into your skincare routine, ensure you start with the lowest concentration and then build your way up. So I know that other brands have lower concentrations, and I'm sure that Paula's Choice has, I think theirs is about 10%. I don't know if any other brand has a lower concentration, but I know The Ordinary has, but I don't know what percentage they have. So it's always best to start with lower concentration, then build your way up. And also be patient with when applying this, your azelaic acid, as well as any other skincare product it's sort of a treatment or a serum. Be patient and give it time to work, and also be religious with the application. Follow the directions. So for your azelaic acid, it's something you can use 2 times a day, so morning and evening. And also because azelaic acid makes the skin sensitive to the sun, so you always have to ensure you use your broad spectrum SPF, not just SPF, broad spectrum SPF, minimum of 30 every single day, daily, and then minimize your sun exposure. So in essence, if it's like really sunny, try to stay in a shady place, or wear protective clothes, or you can wear your wide brim hats. Just be very mindful of sun exposure, and of course use your broad spectrum SPF in order to see, results, because you might just go out without protecting yourself. It would cause further damage, honestly. Just the way, other actives make the skin sensitive to the sun. So that's it. And so here's how you incorporate azelaic acid into your skincare routine. Most of the times, whatever brand you purchase, they will let you know the directions, but this is the basic direction, because azelaic acid, I would consider it a treatment. So first thing you want to do is to start off by, in the morning, cleansing your face. Then if you have a toner, use your toner. In the absence of a toner, that's fine. Apply your treatment, which is the azelaic acid. After your azelaic acid, follow up with a moisturizer, and then in the daytime you end with a broad spectrum SPF. But at nighttime, you cleanse your face, use your toner if that's available, follow up with your azelaic acid treatment, then end with a moisturizer. And that's it for your night treatment. And like I said, this can be used, your azelaic acid can be used in conjunction with other actives. But I always say this to people, it's best to keep, when you have multiple actives, do not use all of them in the same routine, especially if you're all new, or if your skin is quite sensitive. So it's best to keep your actives, use them during separate routines. For example, if you have your azelaic acid and if you have your salicylic acid, I would say use the azelaic acid in the daytime, your salicylic acid at nighttime. Do you understand? So like always try to alternate the application. Do not use them in the same routine unless you're a pro and you know how to navigate it. But if the brand happens to have all these amazing ingredients in one, for example, it could contain niacinamide, it could contain azelaic acid, amongst other actives, that's fine, because it's already been formulated by professionals. So let me know if you want me to do a demo video, maybe how to combine azelaic acid with another with other serums or other skincare ingredients, skincare products. I'll be more than happy to do that. And if you have products like your hydrating serums as well, of course they pair amazingly well with this. So what you do is you use your hydrating serum first, and then you follow up with your azelaic acid. So for example, if you have your CosRX, so you use your CosRX before your azelaic acid, but make sure that the serum absorbs fully into the skin. And yes, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.